Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. So in today's video I'm going to do the highly requested video. I've been getting a lot of DMs and messages from people telling me to do an eyebrow tutorial. So I was like, you know what, I'm finally gonna give it to you guys. Here's an eyebrow tutorial. This is how I do my brows, literally. Very simple to follow. You only need a few things. I'm gonna mention it in the video, as you'll see, and it's step by step, so it's very simple. Don't worry, you guys will get the hang of it. Remember, it takes practice until it's perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm only gonna be focusing on the makeup aspect, sorry, on the brows and not the whole face. So yeah, I'm not gonna do like the foundation and everything else, just the brows. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so all that you're going to need are the following. So you're going to need an angled brush like this. So this is an angled brow brush, and I'm using the one from Marionode, and it's number 22. It says eyeshadow, but I use it for my brows. I got this it's actually funny, I got this at like a train station, like shop thingy in Switzerland, but you can literally get this anywhere. Clicks, I'm sure you can get it. And then you also need a concealer brush like this. This one I bought it online, I think it was Wish. They also sell like brushes and stuff like that. And then also this one, and you need a spoolie. So this is just to brush your brow hairs. And then I'm going to be using brow powder right here. You can use any brow powder. I know some people prefer, sorry, I'm a bit out of focus. I know some people prefer to use gel and stuff like that. You can also try that. And then you need a concealer to conceal your brows and to like clean them up. Okay, I got my mirror, and you're just gonna brush your brow hairs like that. I usually do my brows off camera and stuff like that, so yeah, this is a bit weird. But someone requested for me to do an eyebrow tutorial. A few people actually, for quite a long time in my DMs. So I was like, you know what, let me just give you guys an eyebrow tutorial. And then what you're gonna do is, okay, let me bring the camera up close. Gosh, up close and personal. So up close and personal, what I'm gonna do is you take the brow. Never use black, okay? So I know some people use black. You can use the black, but sometimes I don't think there's anyone whose natural eyebrows are black, like pitch black. It's like a dark brown color, simply because they just look too dramatic. Maybe I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but use brown. Okay, like the black, you can use it towards the end of your brows, but like when you're drawing them and you're shaping them, rather use brown instead. And I'm just gonna go and outline. This is so hard when I do it on camera. Like I said, I usually do my brows off camera because it's just so much easier. So I'm just like lining it on the outside to show where I'm gonna shade it in. I hope you guys can see it on camera, not too much. And I'm also going to do it on the other side. So the perfect way to test where to do on the other brow, because usually your brows like look, you know, not too much of the same. There's no brows that are always like exactly identical, so you do the same thing. You just like measure it like that and see where it goes. You know what they say, like brows are like sisters, they're not twins. They're not always identical. I know I'm probably gonna get a question or not, but let me just say it. I hardly tweeze my brows, by the way. Like my brow hairs never grow, and I'm just gonna fill it in. As I was saying, my brow hairs literally never grow, you guys. Like, I don't know, they just never do. or they grow really, really slow. So that's why I don't really tweeze. And then you just fill it in, and then you'll see, like, usually while you're filling it in, like, everything's just a mess. Don't worry, that's where your concealer is gonna come in handy, and you're gonna use it to, like, clean up your brows. So even if it's a mess and you look like a crazy person, just keep going. Just make sure that you fill it in according to the shape you want, and then you'll fix it after. So I like the block brow, so like the one that's like a block here and then it like arches. I know some people prefer other kinds of shapes, so this is just the way I do mine. And I must say, brows are the hardest when you like doing clients' makeup. Oh my gosh, like certain clients want their brows to be a specific way, and you just want to follow their natural brows, and then they just disagree with you, and you're like, honey, that's not your natural brows. But okay, let's just do this. So it's one of the daunting things as a makeup artist, like to do other people's brows, especially if they're not like threaded and they're thick and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna carry on and blend it out and blend it in. And then as I go to the end parts, that's where I'm gonna use the black one. I hardly use black eyeshadow brow powder, but that's where I'm just gonna use in the black one. And I'm just gonna carry on filling it in. As you can see, I'm using like this motion, and then at the end, that motion. So in the beginning, you just brush it up in that motion. And then I'm gonna use my spoolie and just keep on brushing it to give it that natural shape and to keep it in place. Like that. And then you can keep on filling in until you're satisfied. So I'm going to keep on doing that until I'm satisfied, and when I come back and conceal them so that they're the perfect shape. Okay, so right now it looks very bushy and like, whoa, what's going on? Now this is where the most important part comes in, to conceal your brows. I'm sorry if you guys hear any background noises, residents, vibes, chronicles, whatever you want to call it. So I'm sorry you guys, but anyway, I'm gonna use this concealer, and this is the Eyebrow Girl HD concealer. Hope it's focused. Wait, like this. It's so weird because the lens is the opposite way around, and this is in the shade Cool Tan. So I'm gonna start by concealing. I know usually people conceal like only under the brow. I do it like around the perimeter, or the perimeter of the brow, so basically around the brow. So I'm gonna go in and start there. And then the other side as well. So you just follow according to how you want to conceal your brows. And then I'm also going to do the top part like that. Hope you guys can see. I think I should invest in a microphone for my YouTube videos, just for the sound to be more crisp and to kind of like blur out the background noises, because it's honestly annoying at times. As you can see, I don't use like too much concealer, because then it makes the blending so much harder. You just really need a little like that, because when you put on a lot, like it makes the blending. Where did I put the lid now? It makes the blending of the brows like so much harder, and then it's just, yeah. And I'm going to use my concealer brush, and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm going to start at the bottom and blend out like that, and as well as the other side, just to get that shape that I want. bit here because this one is a little bit too forward on this side. So I don't usually conceal on that side, but if I feel like it's too much to the inside or it's too much, then I just conceal like right there. And then I blend it out to make sure that it's nice and even. Then while blending, I use my spoolie and just kind of brush up my brow hairs in the front, just to give it a more natural look. And I know there's like this new trend of bushy brows. I don't know if you guys like them. Yeah, I'm very neutral about that. Like, I don't know. And then I'm just gonna blend it out, and basically we're gonna be done.